Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if you're coming across a Bluetooth pairing error on your Windows 10 computer where it says check the pin and try connecting again. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So first thing I would actually recommend trying here, guys, would be to open up the start menu. Type in regedit, so regedit. Best result should come back a registry editor. You want to go ahead and right click on that and select run as administrator. If you receive a user account control prompt, go ahead and select yes. Now, like always, before you make any modifications to the registry, I would suggest you create a backup of it. So if anything were to go wrong, you could easily restore it back. So in order to create the backup, it's very simple. You just would select the File tab and then Export. File name, I would recommend naming it the date in which you're making the backup. Export range, keep that at all, and then save it to a convenient and easily accessible location on your computer or an external hard drive, whatever works best for you. And if you ever need to revert back, you would just select File and Import and then navigate to the file location. So again, pretty self-explanatory process there, I would say. And now we're ready to begin. So we're going to start by double-clicking on the HK Users folder. Double click on the .default folder. Should be a software folder under here. Go ahead and double click on that. Same thing for Microsoft. Now go down to Windows. Double click on it. Same thing for current version. So after you've expanded the current version, double click on the Bluetooth folder. Should be an exception folder. Double click on that. And then there should be something that says ADDRS. Double click on that as well. If you need to pause the video and take note of where we are, you can see the top of the registry editor window here. Each backslash is a different folder we've gone under to get to this point. So there's two folders in our case, but anything under ADDRS, you see how it collapses here. So these folders, you want to delete them. They might be different numbers in your case, as you can see. We're going to delete both of them. And once you are done with that, we're going to close out of here. Restart your computer and then attempt to pair your Bluetooth device again to your computer, and then hopefully your issues should have been resolved, or at least it should be reset. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. Do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.